Hello dear students, this is Rita. Now here is a test for you on the topic interference in thin films. You must have gone through the video related to this topic and you must have learnt about the interference in thin films, that is parallel films and the wedge shaped films. So the related questions will be given to you in this test. You go through the topics and do the test. Now here the first slide is about the test. The first question is, colors in thin films are because of which phenomena? First is dispersion, Compton effect, interference or diffraction. You choose the correct option. The next question is, interference in thin films is mainly because of division of amplitude, division of wavefront, addition of amplitude, addition of wavefront. So you choose the correct option and find out the right answer. Next question is, what is the nature of interference pattern, that is the fringes pattern for the thin film of wedge shaped? They will be concave outside, convex outside, equally spaced or concave inside. You give the right choice for this question. Next question is, interference pattern is observed in the wedge shaped film for monochromatic light. Now the monochromatic light is replaced by the white light. Then what will be the effect on the interference pattern? It will turn to dark, it will turn to bright, the bands will disappear, or it will be a mixture of all colors. We choose the right option for this particular question. The next question is, a thin film having thickness T very less than lambda is seen in the white light. It will appear white, red, black or violet. We choose the correct option for this question. The next question is, to observe interference in thin films with the light of wavelength lambda, the thickness of film will be, it should be much smaller than lambda, should be a few thousand times of lambda, should be of order of lambda, or should be of order of a nanometer. We choose the correct option for this question. Now the next question is, what is the nature of interference pattern at the contact edge of wedge shaped film, means when T is equal to 0. Then what will be the nature of interference pattern? It will be always bright, always dark, bright or dark depending upon the thickness of other end, or bright or dark depending upon the wavelength of light used. You choose the correct option out of 4 given options to you. The next question is, wedge shaped thin film have non-uniform thickness, 0 thickness at one end and increasing towards other end, 0 thickness at both ends, thickness increasing and decreasing alternately. So you choose the correct option for this question, particularly about the wedge shaped thin films. Next question is, when the light wave travel from the fast medium to a slow medium, right, means here the velocity will be compared. If you compare the velocity, then you can also compare the refractive index as well by using the relation between velocity and the refractive index. Okay, then you will be able to give the right answer. So here the reflected ray will change phase by lambda by 2, change phase by 3 lambda by 2, change phase by lambda by 3, or change phase by lambda by 4. You use the relation and try to find out the correct answer. Next question is, a thin layer of colorless oil is spread over the water in a container having refractive index 1.4. If the light of wavelength used is 640 nanometer is absent in the reflected light, what is the minimum thickness of the oil layer? Okay, you just write down all the data given to you and use the appropriate relation in order to find out the thickness of oil layer, right? Next slide is about the short answer type questions. The first question is, why the extended source is used in order to produce colors in thin films. The next question is, what is cosine law? Next is, what is wedge shaped film? Next question is, derive an expression for fringe width in interference pattern observed in the wedge shaped films. You write down the answer of all these questions. If you have done the topic carefully, then you will be able to answer all these questions definitely. Okay, thank you.